My baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Hi guys! Nagapangita ba mo og bagong laganan? Adto na diri sa Pasol Mo-Luto Ko at Lindo's Farm.
Talks kinda lazy and people say she's crazy and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes and nobody knows like me.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. Karon na ata diri sa Pasol Mo-Luto Ko at Lindo's Farm. Located at Purok 1B, Graceland, Los Amigos, Tugbok, Davao City. So, open sila from Tuesday to Sunday and close sila every Monday except sa holidays. If you are someone na hilig og nature and fish activities, this is the perfect place to go. Pasol Mo-Luto Ko, in English, you cook, I fish. From the name itself guys, freshly caught ang mga pagkaon diri. So you can choose between hito or tilapia, which is around 300 to 400 ang kilo. So you will need to pay additional 100 pesos naman if magpaluto ka sa ilaha. And make a choice between deep fried, grilled, or cooked in coconut milk. Sa pag-visit namo dere, we choose hito and gipa deep fried namo siya. And they also serve different food pa og mga snacks like pizza and also freshly picked coconut.
Okay na na.
And they also have fish spa, which costs around 50 pesos per session. So, there is a Lindo's Farm guys. Daghan kaayo silag table and cottages. But, you will need to book reservation para makasecure og area. So, they also have playgrounds and trampoline for kids. And napud sila function hall diri guys. Best for debut, weddings, birthday celebrations, or any big events. We recommend na i-try ninyo diri guys because it's very affordable and sulit ang experience.
Thank you for watching! Alina diri, sunay pa. Nyapet mo ba nakatapos? Six, ikaw mag-guys ka? Six. Mag-guys ka?
Ay, wala. Ay, nakuha mo. Ipang sa'yo.